Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group. I first want to let you know that we just received notice from Coates that they are going to stop production for a little while. We're not sure when they're going to resume that production again. And the Coates bobbins are not going to be able to be found pretty much anywhere. So we know that we have a lot of loyal customers that use Coates, and we thank you for getting those from GSG. And what we did is we contacted Amann to stock up more heavily on our UltraBob's paper-sided bobbin. Now, we've always been carrying the UltraBobs, but now we're really going to stock heavily. It is paper-sided, it's a beautiful bobbin. I use these in my own studio and at trade shows. So everything that you see embroidered during the show, I'm actually using the Amann UltraBobs. So if you call and we do not have your Coates bobbin available, well, you're probably not going to find those anywhere else either, since production has stopped for some time. We recommend the UltraBobs by Amann. The item number AMNBOBULTRA-L, and L represents the size bobbin which most of you use. So again, to replace the Coates, use our product by Amann, who is also the manufacturer of Isocord thread. Thank you.